Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change Audible download quality. If you use Audible for listening to audiobooks, you may want to change the download quality so that you can optimize storage space or audio fidelity. So first of all, launch open the Audible mobile application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once logged in, from the home page, click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And in your profile page, click on the gear button at the top right. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see several other different menus. Under App Settings, click on Data and Storage. Now you will reach out to the Download Quality option. There, you can choose from standard to high. For example, if you have limited storage or data, you might want to pick standard. If you want the best audio fidelity and have storage data to spare, you can pick high. Choose your download quality, and once you are done, you can download a new audiobook to confirm the setting applies. So that's how you can easily change Audible download quality using the Audible application on your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.